Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start fast. Make sure you're signed into Google and a Colab notebook is open. Once done, check whether you prefer a built-in theme, a browser extension, or a small custom CSS snippet. You want control now, so decide. Use Chrome/Edge extension or use Colab's built-in dark theme if available. Next, open the View menu in Settings. This exposes theme options. If you plan to inject CSS, open Developer Tools. Otherwise, proceed to Theme Selection. You'll implement the change now. If Colab Settings lists a site theme, pick Dark and apply. That's the simplest. If not, enable an extension such as Dark Reader, then adjust brightness, contrast, and site-specific rules to avoid inverted images. For precise control, paste a small CSS override into an extension or the console, target, cell, output, and the toolbar to fix background and text colors. Make sure to save the extension profile so your adjustments persist across. Finish by reloading Colab and verifying every element reads clearly. Check code cells, outputs, and plots. If colors look off, clear cache and hard reload to remove stale styles. If problems persist, disable other extensions one by one to find conflicts. Images or syntax highlighting are often affected. For plots, set Matplotlib or Plotly themes to dark to match. If you still see glitches, revert to built-in theme and reapply custom CSS carefully. That single troubleshooting step solves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.